Next, we're going to look at 10 and 12. Remember, we are skipping number 11. We're focused on just right now dividing and or multiplying fractions, and these are actually both divide ones. We might even make a note. This is the type of problem where we're going to flip. And in fact, since this one looks kind of the same, we're going to write flip as well. All right, so first thing is we need to make sure that these are not mixed, that they're all improper or just look ready to go. I don't see a whole number in front of these, so we're good. So next we're going to do keep the 4/5, change to multiplication, and flip. When they snuck in a negative there. So when we get our answer here, we might even just copy over our negative sign because a positive times a negative is a negative. All right, 5 and 13. 5 doesn't go into 13, so that looks like a dead end. 4 and 12. Well, 4 is divisible by 4, and 12 is divisible by 4. So we have 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. Now we're going to multiply across. I'll even circle these. And don't forget that negative. 1 times 13 is 13, and 5 times 3 is 15. That is simplified, but always just double check. Last one in this row, number 12. Feel free to pause the video or go back if you need to. Before we flip, though, we're going to change this to an improper. So we'll even just set this up. Let's keep it as division. Let's not try to consolidate too many steps. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 1 is 4/3. And now we're going to do the flip. We're going to keep the first fraction. We're going to change to multiplication, and we're going to flip. We can always just multiply across, especially if it doesn't seem too crazy, but it does mean that we are going to have to do more simplifying. So for example, 4 times 3 is 12, and 3 times 4 is 12. So that means we'll need to simplify more to get our answer. Or if we notice that we don't want to do that, then that's why we have cross-canceling. 4 goes into itself one time and into itself one time. 3 and 3 cancel to 1 and 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. And we're left with just a final answer, which is 1, which we also would have gotten had we just multiplied across. So we should be getting the same answer, but there might be a couple ways to do it. If you multiply straight across and you have something that you're not sure how to break it up or simplify it, then you want to go back to cross-canceling.